morning, everyone. This is Teacher Joanna and I will be your teacher in Social Studies. Now, before we start our lesson, let us first have these words. Are you ready? Okay, very good. So, everyone, let us read predominant. Again, predominant. And then we have dialect. Everyone, let us read dialect. And then we have indigenous. Everyone, let us read indigenous. And then we have unique. Everyone, let us read unique. Okay, so the words are predominant, dialect, indigenous, and unique. So do you know the meaning of the words? Okay, so let us know the meaning of the words. Everyone, when we say predominant, present as the strongest. That is the meaning of predominant. When we say dialect, it is a particular form of language in a specific region. That is dialect. When we say indigenous, the meaning is native. And when we say unique, it is one of a kind. So those are the meaning of the words. Now today, we are going to talk about the Filipino culture. Now, are you ready to listen, everyone? Okay, very good. If you are ready to listen, sit up straight and let us start. So, we are going to talk about the Filipino culture. Now, I want you to remember that Filipino people are unique. We are one of a kind. So, there are those who are products of mixed marriages or what we call the mestizos. So, the physical features of these people are affected by the union of their ancestors. Always remember that. The Filipino attitude had also changed according to the culture brought by the foreigners. Now, I want you to know that the majority of Filipinos consist of Tagalogs, Visayans, Ilocanos, Bicolanos, Pampangueños, Pangasinenses, Ibanag or Cagayanos, Zambals. Okay? So those are the majority of Filipino. Everyone, the Tagalog, the Visayans, the Ilocano, the Bicolanos, the Pampangueños, Pangasinense, Ibanag or Cagayanos, and the Zambals. Okay? So let me also tell you the ethnic groups found in the different parts of our country. Ethnic groups or indigenous groups or the native people of the Philippines. Okay, so we have the Ifugaos and Kalingas, wherein this indigenous group of people are living in the mountain province in Luzon. And then we have the Isnegs. The Isnegs lives along the banks of Apayao River. And then we have the Tinguyans, okay, found in Abra. Okay, and then we have the Hanuno. The Mangyans, these are the Mangyans lives in the mountainous areas in Oriental Mindoro. Okay, and then we have the Atis or Aita. Okay, they are found in Visayas. The indigenous tribes are the Negritos, commonly known as Atis or Aitas. So they are also called in other names, such as in Leyte, they are called Mamanwa. In Negros Oriental, they are called Magahat. And in Panay, they are called Corolanos or Bukidnon. Okay, Atis or Aita. And then we have the Bajaus. They are found in Mindanao, known for being a good pearl divers. Okay, those are the Bajaus. And then we have the Maranaoans, wherein they are found in Maranao, known for their beautiful work made of brass and the famous Sari Manok. Okay, and also, I want you to know the other indigenous tribes in Luzon. Okay, so we have the Kankanay. They live in the mountain province and Benguet. We have the Bontoc. They live in the mountain province. We have the Ibaloy or Nabaloy. They live in Benguet. We have Iwak in Cordillera. Aplay in Mountain Province. Ibanag in Cagayan and Nueva Ecija. Gadang in Nueva Ecija and Benguet. Ilonggot and Isinay in Nueva Ecija, Itawis in Cagayan, Bugkalot in Nueva Ecija, Quirino and Aurora, and Ivatan in Batanes. So those are the other indigenous tribes in Luzon. We have the Kankanay, the Bontok, the Ibaloy, the Iwak, the Aplay, the Ibanag, Gadang, Ilonggot, Isinay, Itawis, Bugkalot, and Ivatan. Okay, so also there are other indigenous tribes in Mindanao. So they are the Yakan in Basilan, Dibabawon in Davao del Norte, Tausug in Sulu, Samal in Sulu as well, Mandaya and Calagan in Davao, Iranum in Lanao del Sur, Maguindanaon in Maguindanao, the Molbog in Balabac, the Sanggil in Sarangani, the Subanon in Zamboanga, and the Manubo in Bukidnon. So those are the other indigenous tribes in Mindanao. We have the Yakan, Dibabawon, Tausug, Samal, Mandaya, Calagan, Iranum, Maguindanaon, Molbog, Sanggil, Subanon, and Manubo. Okay, so everyone, we have the religion. Okay, so in religion, Filipinos are predominantly Christians. Okay, our country is said to be the only Catholic nation in Asia. Almost 90% are Roman Catholic, while the rest are non-Catholic, such as the Muslims, the Iglesia ni Cristo, the Aglipayan, the Evangelist, and the other Christian faith. Okay? Remember that 90% of the Filipinos are Roman Catholic, and the remaining 10% are the other or non-Catholic Filipinos. Do you understand? And I want you to remember that our country, the Philippines, is said to be the only Catholic nation in Asia. Why? Because of the colonization of the Spaniards. Okay? The Spaniards brought Catholicism here in the Philippines. Okay? And then, in terms of language, everyone, Filipinos can easily speak, okay, and learn any language or dialect. Okay? Remember that Philippines have many dialect. Example, in Masbate province, we have our dialect. We call it Minasbate. So, we are also known as good in English and Spanish because some of our words came from the Spanish words. And also, Filipinos, our second language is English. Okay? So, Filipinos can easily speak and easily learn other languages and dialect. Okay? So, in terms of heritage sites and events, our country is not only beautiful, it is also boast of several heritage sites and festivals which are part of Filipino cultural identity. So in terms of heritage sites, some of the heritage sites are, we have the Calle Crisologo, the Banawe Rice Terraces, the Tubataha Reef, the Emilio Aguinaldo Shrine, the Paway Church, and we have some of the festivals. We have Panagbenga Festival, Pahiyas Festival, Gigantes Festival, Atiatian Festival, Lanzones Festival, and Dinagyang Festival. Okay, so those are the festivals here in the Philippines. Okay, so I have here some question, everyone. Okay, what are the different ethnic groups? Can you give me one? We have the Tausug, the Aita, the Ifugaos, the Badjaos, the Maranaons, and many more. So, what are some of our heritage sites? We have the Calle Crisologo, Banawe Rice Terraces, Tubataha Reef, Emilio Aguinaldo Shrine, and many more. Okay? So, what are some of our festivals? Okay, what are the festivals that you know? We have the Panagbengab Festival, the Payas Festival, the Gigantes Festival, the Ati-Atian Festival, the Lanzones Festival, and the Dinagyang Festival. Okay? Okay, so what is our religion here in the Philippines? 90% is Roman Catholic, and the remaining 10% are either Muslim, Iglesia ni Cristo, Aglipay, Evangelist, or non-Christian. They are non-Christian. Okay, so what did you learn today? Today we have learned about the Filipino culture. Filipino culture in terms of religion, we are 90%. Filipinos are 90% Catholic, and the remaining 10% is the non-Catholic Filipinos. In terms of language, we learn and speak. Okay, we easily learn and speak other languages. And we have many dialects. Okay, and we are also known as good in English and Spanish. Okay, in terms of heritages and sites and festivals, we have many. Okay, so if you really did understand the lesson, let us proceed to your practice exercise. Answer think it over letter A, page 76. And here is your evaluation. Answer think it over letter B, page 176. Now, don't forget to answer your practice exercise and your evaluation because I'm going to check it. Do you understand me? Okay, so here is your assignment. Answer, try this out, page 165. Now, don't forget to do your assignment because I'm going to check it. So, thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.